Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix drive is not accessible and access denied error on your Windows. So how to fix it in this video, we will know that step by step. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11 and Windows 7. So let's start the video. You can see here when we try to access this drive, this error message is displayed, access is denied. So how to fix it? Now right click on this drive and click here properties. Okay, and after that guys, click here security tab and click here this advanced option, and after that guys, click here this change button. Okay, current owner, click here start button. This is your current owner, your user. Okay, write this name and click here this change option. Now click here advance, click here find now, and after that guys, add here this user. Okay, administrator. If you have another name, find this name here and find here your name in this list. Okay, anyone your username have, just find here. So we are using a administrator user, so we click here this administrator. Okay, click here OK and click here OK and apply and OK and click here OK button. Click here OK. Now guys, again right click on it, click here properties again, and after that guys, click here security tab. Now security tab, now click here edit, and guys click here add. Now advanced tab and click here find now, and add here this user again, administrator. Okay, in this list find your username and click on it and click here OK button. Now click here OK. Now give full permission this user, apply, and then click here OK and click OK. Now try to access your drive. So guys, you can see here you can able to access the drive. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.